Hello and welcome. This is Mudassir Afras from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will see how to create new leader or how we can edit that one. So for that what I will do, I will go here in annotation panel. I will click on this drop down arrow and I will click here, okay, this one, okay. It will open multi leader style manager. You can just open from annotate tab as well, okay. Here you can see that there are some options that you can just modify from here as this one, okay. If you want to just modify this standard format, you can just modify from here, okay. Or if you want to create new one, you can create that one and you can modify as well that one, okay. So I will press OK from here. I will just go into the new, and from here I can give any of the name to this style. For example, I want to write here style 1, okay. Now I will press continue here. Here you can see it will copy all of the setting of standard, okay, standard format, and I will press continue, okay. And now you can just modify that one. For example, this is the tab for leader format, leader structure, and then content as well, okay. So I will go here in leader format, and from here I will just see some of the setting. For example, if I need straight line, this is the symbol of straight line. Here you can see the preview. If you will make any of the change from here, it will just give the preview here, okay. Now type, if I want just a subline, for example, instead of straight, I will click here. Here you can see the preview. Now it is just showing subline here, okay. And if you do not want anything, I will click on none. Now it is only showing text, okay. So for now I need subline, for example. Okay, now again it is asking about color. So from here you can select the color by layer, or if you want any other color you can select from here, okay. So I need color by layer, okay. And then you can change the line type as well from here, okay. So right now I need by layer, okay. I will write here, and then line weight as well I can just change from here, and right now I need by layer, okay. You can just make changes in layer as well from in layer panel, okay. Now it is asking about for example arrowhead, okay. You can just create any new arrowhead from here. You can select from here. For example, I need from here arrowhead, this open 30-degree, okay. Now this is the preview for this one. Now you can change the size as well, as I told you before, okay. Now I will go into the next tab, leader structure, okay. Now it is asking about maximum leader point. Right now I need 2 point. I will just explain that what are these leader points, okay. Then I will go into the content, for example, okay. From here multi-leader type, for example, I need text right now here, okay. You can just create a block as well. So I will give you example for block as well. I need text right now, okay. And then text style, you can choose any of the style from here. I will click here, and from here I can change the style, okay. Font name, for example, I need from here any of the font style. You can just select from here Arial narrow, for example, and from here I can choose font style, okay. This font name and this font style, okay. After that what I will do, I will press apply, and then I will close this one. Again, text angle, you can choose any of the angle. For example, always right reading, okay. I will just select. You can see the preview, okay. From here you can change the text angle as well, okay. I need horizontal for now, and from here you can change the text height as well, okay. Now in leader connection, you can choose horizontal attachment or vertical attachment. You can see this is vertical attachment, okay. Now I will choose for now is horizontal attachment, and line left attachment and right attachment, you can choose any of the attachment. For example, I need underline, okay, bottom line. This is the underline bottom line, text or above, and then right attachment, again underline bottom line, okay. Now after all of this setting, I will press OK. Now I will go here, I will select this style 1. I will press this one, set current, then I will close this one. Now I will create one leader. For example, I will go here, okay. I will click on this icon to activate the leader, and I want to just create a leader here, okay. Now you can see the settings. This is the subline and this is the arrowhead. This is the different from this one, okay, as we modify in the style manager. Now I will just give us any of the text. For example, you can see text are also changed. Now this is the method that how we can create or modify the leader. Now we will see another setting. For example, I want to move here, okay, and we will see another setting. I will go into the annotation. I will go here, multi-leader style manager, okay, and then I will modify, okay, this style one. I will go into the modify, and we will see what is a block. Okay, this is text, okay, we will see what is block. So I will just select this one block. You can see all settings are going to change, and a source block, you can choose any of the block from here. Right now I need, for example, triangle, okay, and then I will press OK. So for example, you can see here, this is a PCC, and I gave a number of 1, okay, for brickwork 2, and then for DPC 3, okay. Now I will just close from here, and then I will go into the multi-leader, and I will just give first point, then second point, and here it is asking about enter tag number. So tag number for this PCC is 1, so I will select here, okay, and I will give 1, and then I will press OK. Now you can see this is the triangle and the tag number is 1. It is just showing that this is PCC. For 1, this is PCC. Now I just want to give another block, so I will go into the annotation. I will go into the style manager, then I will go into the modify this one, and then I will just choose circle, for example, okay, then I will press OK, then I will choose this set current, then I will close this one. Again I will go into the leader, and then I can just give, for example, I want to give this one as a tag number of 3, okay, for DPC. So I will press OK, then I will close this one, okay. Now you can see this is the tag number 3. This is how you can just give the tag to any object, okay. And there is one more option that I want to just give you. For example, I will go into the manager, okay, I will go into the modify, and from here you can see maximum leader point. You can choose 2, 3 or 4, okay. For example, I want 3 point. I will press OK. I will just choose this one. I will close this one. Now this will be 3 point multi-leader. I will just activate this multi-leader, okay. I will give first point, then second point, and then third point, okay. Then I will give the tag number, okay, for example 2. Then I will press OK, okay, and you can see this is the 2 point multi-leader, 3 point, sorry, 3 point multi-leader. So I hope you understand that how we can just create the multi-leader, how we can modify that one. You can just modify an existing leader. For example, this is the standard type. You can just modify this one, and you can create new one as well. So I hope you understand this one. I will see you in the next.